Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam. Ala Rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ikra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Ikra wa rabbukal akram. Alladzi 'allama bil kalam. 'Allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My respected elders and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. It's a pleasure for me to be once again back to London, especially Harrow, after a span of 8 months. The topic of this evening's talk is seeking knowledge in the light of Islam. Your children are an amana. Give them the best education for both the worlds. It is a long topic, but it's basically dealing with seeking knowledge in the light of Islam, and that your children are an amana, so give them the best education for both the worlds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the glorious Quran, the first guidance that He gave to the whole of humankind, it was not to pray, it was not to fast, it was not to perform Hajj, but the first guidance given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the glorious Quran to the whole of humankind was Iqra. It was to read, it was to recite, it was to proclaim. And I start my talk by quoting a few verses from the Quran, from Surah Iqra, chapter number 96, verse number 1 to 5, where Allah says, Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Ikra wa rabbukal akram. Alladzi 'allama bil kalam. 'Allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. Which means read, recite, and proclaim in the name of thy Lord who has created. Who has created the human beings from something which clings, a leech-like substance. Read, the Lord is most bountiful. He who has taught the use of pen has taught men that which he knew not.